Hello, welcome to the PaleoScan Tips and Tricks webinar series. Today I'll be showing you how to reorient a seismic volume inline direction. We'll start off by opening up a seismic window, and you'll notice we've got some really nice faults here. I'm going to change this display to the time view, where we can see that the orientation of these faults is more of a northeast-southwest direction. Now, unfortunately, our inline direction is basically due east-west. And so what we want to do here is reorient the seismic volume so that our inline direction is perpendicular or orthogonal to the fault plane. So what we do is we will come up to our volume toolbar and we'll select the volume orientation button. Select volume orientation. The window that opens is going to allow us to select the reference volume. In this case, I'll select the seismic. And you'll notice we're looking at a time slice here. We can zoom in on this if we like, and you'll notice it says the time scan or the inline scan. You'll notice the inline scan is pointing from bottom to top, so the lines will actually be perpendicular to this. They'll just be counting from bottom to top. But what we want to do is reorient this volume so that it is perpendicular to the fault planes. And so what we'll do is we'll back up a little bit here, and you'll see we've got this green toggle and then the white toggles. To spin or rotate the volume, we'll grab the green toggle and I'll rotate that about 30 degrees until the inline scan arrow is lining up with our fault orientation. I can also grab these white toggles to reduce the size of the volume, because that's what we're doing basically, is essentially creating a new volume. And so we can not only reorient the volume, but we can also crop the volume at this stage. So if I go to this lower window and zoom out a bit, you'll see that all my faults are kind of in the lower section, so I can grab this top white toggle and pull down. That'll save a little bit of space in the new volume. Once I've got my volume reoriented and cropped the way I want it, I will simply tell it which volume I want to apply this reorientation to. In this case, I'll say the seismic. The name is defaulted to append oriented to the input volume. I'll leave that as a default, but feel free to change that. And to finish up, all you have to do is click OK. Now, once this finishes running, you'll get a message saying that the job has run successfully. What I like to do is now open up this new volume. And you can see now that when I open up this new volume, if I tile my windows using the Shift-T to tile my windows, you'll see the intersection line is now coming from the northwest down to the southeast across the original seismic volume, indicating that we are displaying our newly reoriented seismic. Now this is going to help us pick our faults manually if that's something we're interested in doing. But other than that, you're all done. So we hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps. As always, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks so much.